I wonder if there's a keypad. Oh my goodness, I really need to get that right now. I really need to find the code. I don't know which one. It's my counter! No, I'll put the code in. Beep boop beep. This seems about right. Wait, what the hell? Oh my goodness, I'm about to get it. Okay, I gotta get it. Uh-oh. Finally, I gotta get it for the level of God. Okay, here goes nothing. Wish me luck. Oh, come on. I just want to count. Okay, this is fine. So, I need to find a level and I need to hurry. Aha, I found it. Now I'm going to pull it. Oh crap, I better get out of here. There's no way Pim can find me now. Safe and sound. Uh-oh. No, wait, Pim, I'm sorry!